Be thankful for what you have. You will end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never ever have enough. I decided I can't pay a person to rewind time, so I may as well get over it. It needs to be said and heard. It's okay to be who you are. I think it's great to be flawed. I am hugely flawed, and I like it this way. That is the fun of life. You fall, get up, make mistakes, learn from them, be human and be you. I will never forget where I am from. It's essential to remain humble and evolving. If you are doing something outside of dominant culture, there is not an easy place for you. You will have to do it yourself. Mistakes are a fact of life. It is the response to the error that counts. Sometimes you have got to let everything go, purge yourself. If you are unhappy with anything, whatever is bringing you down, get rid of it. Because you will find that when you are free, your true creativity, your true self comes out. If I wait for someone else to validate my existence, it will mean that I am shortchanging myself.